Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market again. As you know, it's a really tough situation right now on the stock markets. Recent data is just absolute tragedy in Europe. In Europe and the United States, as you know, the ISM index has dropped below the 50 points, showing worst result in the 10 years, and it shows the first time it has started to show the contraction of the economy. So as you know, the index stands above the 50. It indicates that extension is growth, while the drop below the 50 is a negative sign. And in Europe, this data was releasing already 2 times below the 50 points and showing the recession and slowdown in the economy. So that was really very negative sign. But this, of course, was just the one single reason for the collapse on the stock market. Currently, it's really a lot of opinions on what really is going on, but I suppose that's mostly the nervousness of the investors, not because of the poor data, but also because in domestic political turmoil, difficult relationships with China, and other reasons. Besides, we should not forget about the coming the end of the financial year that's ending in November, and investors who accumulated very solid results on the stock market, which is 22% of the growth, would like to fix it and get the bonuses by the end of the year. It's also the reason. And all this stuff has supported the gold market as well. So you can see that market has shown more extension to the upside, and currently we could recognize here the candlestick pattern, which is a evening star. It's a type of the engulfing pattern, and usually, in most cases, when the market forms this pattern, that tells you that on the intraday charts you will get the ABCD action, which is the AB leg will be the pattern itself. So once the pattern has been completed, we wait for a BC leg will form, some retracement back in the body of the pattern, and then extension to the CD leg, kind of the ABCD shape on the intraday charts. That's what particularly we'll be watching for. Currently on the 4-hour time frame chart, market hits the 50 or 8 618 resistance, which is also agreement resistance. Take a look. This steep ABC bottom D pattern has been completed, which gives the OP target, creates an agreement with the level. The market right now turns to the pullback. So overall action stands rather strong. Yesterday, market hasn't shown two-leg retracement, but just single-leg retracement and started up, despite we talked about the possible Garter steeple to buy pattern, but we haven't got it. So currently, we'll be watching for a pullback to the downside, because tomorrow is also will be important data. It's non-farm payrolls release, and today it could be some silence, some relief after the really tough session yesterday. So for a retracement target, we will use 2 possible levels. I suppose the most suitable for that is 1486, because it's confidence, and take a look, coincides with the previous bottom. Now it was top yesterday. That was, guys, our, by the way, the retracement. Here actually was the ABCD, but it was a minor scale. And currently, where we'll be watching for retracement to this level. Well, theoretically, it is possible to drop to the 1476 as well, but taking into consideration the thrusting action here that we have and the fact that market is not at overbought on a daily chart, well, it's more probable that the confidence should hold the market. Anyway, we will keep an eye on shape of this retracement. If it will be the same shape as here, then that level will be just perfect, where market could turn up again. If we will get some strong acceleration, or definitely it will be kind of the ABC shape of the retracement. Well, we could keep in consideration 1476 as well, but as I said, it's more probable that it will be a 1486 level, and where we could consider the possible taking a long position and continuation based on the daily morning star candlestick pattern. So that's the task for us for the coming couple of sessions, today and tomorrow.